About 8:45 p.m. last night in the Newtown district, that is in the East Police area in Clarendon, some persons were at a shop when a motor vehicle drove up. It is alleged that two men alighted and opened gunfire at the persons who were at the shop, and I believe that the persons were playing domino at the shop at the time. 6 persons at the time were reported to have received gunshot wounds. 2 of them would have succumbed to their injuries. This morning, between this morning and last night, sometime last night, another man had reported that he would have received gunshot wounds also. So a total of 7 persons would have been shot and 2 fatal.
Sir, it will break me down. It will break me down. It will break me down. Even though we were apart for about 5 years or 5 years now. But when me and him did live, he never made me hungry. I have other kids that don't belong to him, and he never met them no one, not anything. He always push out for them. Sit with that they go school every day. If I even the last, he's miserable and him loud and cuss, but he's a nice person. He's well loved in the community.
Our investigative team, our intel team, our community safety and security team, they have all been activated and actually sent out in the space to see what all the information that we can garner from the citizens in the area, so that we can know for sure what is the real cause or the true cause of this incident. One thing I can say for sure though, a 16-year-old was actually killed in the process.